Hey everyone, welcome to Shima Flow Yoga. I'm Jody, and today I'm doing a product review on the Manduka X Yoga Mat. So the Manduka X Yoga Mat was really designed for athletes who want to take a mat to do whatever exercises they want to work out in and then also do yoga at the same time. It is really good for multi-purpose use. It's light enough to carry to the gym, to the studio, wherever you want to take it to, and it's got some good cushioning to help protect your joints and your bones. So let's get a little bit more specific into the details of this mat. It's 3.7 pounds. It is 71 inches long and 24 inches wide. And as I said, it's 5 millimeters thick, which is a really good thickness for a yoga mat. I always prefer thicker mats for me because my knees and stuff can get a little tender when I come into some of the postures. So this has got a great thickness to it. Like I said, high density cushioning. It is lightweight and durable, and it's got such a great grip. I mean, this mat, I've been using it consistently every day for the past 6 weeks, and even then some, and I have not slipped at all on this mat. I can't believe the grip of this mat. Hygienic closed cell construction, so if you sweat or whatever, it's not going to drip inside and get stuck inside your mat. It's non-toxic, eco-friendly, and 100% latex free. One of the things I really love the most about this though is the price point. When you think of Manduka, right, you think, oh, over $100 yoga mat. This yoga mat is $58. So the price is really, really good. I just happened to use this mat because due to COVID, my mat was left at my studio and I couldn't get back in to get the mat because we were closed, so I wasn't allowed back in. So I haven't had my own personal yoga mat for quite a while now. So I pulled this one out because I had this one that I hadn't used yet, and I'm so happy I did because I just discovered a mat that I really love and that worked really, really well for me. And I really wanted to do this review because I know that we want to have a decent mat, but buying a mat like Manduka Pro, even though it's a lifetime guarantee, spending $120 on a yoga mat is can be quite hefty. So I wanted to share this yoga mat with all of you who are in search for a mat. If you Googled Manduka X, or if you're just looking for an affordable yoga mat, I highly recommend this mat. Manduka does not know I'm making this review. I'm not getting paid anything from Manduka or anyone else. I just really want to share my experience with and my knowledge with mats and props and whatever else works for me, and I want to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed this product review. If you have questions, drop them below. If you like the video, press the like button, share it with others, and subscribe to my channel if you get a chance, if you haven't already. And I'll see you soon. Thanks so much. Namaste.